Oh yeah, what a beautiful day. Look at that sky. Oh wait, what? What's over here? Oh shoot. Looks like a pretty big dust storm rolling in. Wow, check that out. It already hit the East Valley really hard. I was watching the news. And it's coming on over. Man. That is something else. Look at the sky over this way. Wouldn't even know. Wouldn't even know. Check it out over here. Oh wow. It's even worse over this way. Jeez. Won't be much. Oh look. Let me see if I can zoom in. It looks like black. Almost like a fire. A little line of black smoke there. Right above that left side of the roof. Jeez Louise, look at that. Try to get some different angles here. This is about to engulf me here in a minute, so I got to split here pretty soon. Yeah, it's supposed to bring some rain with it too. A lot of dust and a lot of wind. Alright, let's see. Watch these mountains for a second and we'll see how fast it takes them over. Here, I'll try to keep those light poles just to the left of the screen there. Oh yeah, look at that. You can see it rolling in a little bit. Oh yeah, it's really it's got like this weird calm before the storm here. It's really hot, really muggy. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, well, that looks like it's it for me out here. Try to get one other shot this way. Oh, there go all the birds.